Let's make some yummy fresh agege bread for the family. So first I started by adding my flour, some sugar, milk flavor, milk powder, my nutmeg, my salt, a pinch of salt please. And then I added my margarine. Then I began to mix with my hands. I mixed until I got some crumbs, as you can see. Yes, as soon as I was done, then I got my water. Just take a look at what I was doing. I was measuring the water with my tablespoon. First, I added two and then I mixed because I don't want it to be too watery. Do you understand? So I mixed it and later again I added additional two more. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is for those that will ask, oh, how do I know my water measurement? So once you watch this closely, you will see what I am doing. And after adding that, that's making 4 tablespoons of what I used for this. Then I cracked in my egg, one egg. Yes. Like first, I set aside some egg white that I'm going to use to brush the top, and then I added the egg yolk and the other white into the flour, and then I mixed everything until I got a dough. Yes, until I got a dough, a sticky dough. Don't be tempted to add another water at all. As soon as I was done, and then I moved this to my work table, sprinkle some flour, and I moved this to my work table. If you are using a hand mixer, okay, you could mix for at least 15 minutes, but if you are using your hand to knead, you will need for at least 30 to 45 minutes, because now I want you to take very close at what I was doing. I started kneading and it was breaking initially. As you can see, it was just cutting into piece. But after I have done it properly, it became stretchy. That is what I want you to see. It became what, very stretchy, that it will pull to the front and return back to me. See, it became very stretchy. So until your dough is smooth like this, then you will know that your kneading is perfect. Do you understand? So as soon as I was done kneading, this took me about 40 minutes to knead this because I was checking the time. As soon as I was done, I was checking if I've done it well, and then I kept adding extra. I kept adding extra kneading until I said to myself, no, you have done well. That is exactly how you will need this to get a very soft, yummy, and stretchy agege bread. Then as soon as I was done, I just placed this into my work bowl and then I allowed it to rest for 30 minutes. I covered it, yes. I allowed it to rest for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I brought it out. The amazing part is that I used a foil to bake. So don't give me any excuse. You have to bake for the kids and for the family. Then I moved the raisin dough into my foil pan, and then I proceed to my local oven to bake. I've taught you all how to bake locally. Yes, so I proceed to my local oven to bake. But before then, I use my egg white to brush the top of the bread. So it's going to give me that golden look when it's properly done. Can you see? Do it gently and calmly. Then as soon as I was done with this, I proceed to my local oven. My pot and my gas cooker is my local oven. I opened my pot and everything is set already. It's hot. I just put in my dough inside and I allow it to bake on a low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. Ensure you watch it closely. And in less than that time, it was ready. My agege bread was super delicious. Ensure you follow us for more. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Zama. Thank you. Bye.